Samsung are all set to announce the official One UI 5.0 tomorrow at the Samsung Developer Conference. The One UI 5.0 beta for a few Samsung smartphones has been around for quite a while, and now all eyes are on the final build, which should start rolling out for the flagship Samsung devices within a few days right after the STC. In case you don't know, Samsung One UI 5.0 is the latest iteration of Samsung's One UI, and this is based on the Android 13, which means you will be getting a lot of new features and a lot of new improvements in the new Samsung software. Since Samsung have improved their software update policy, a huge number of Samsung devices are going to be eligible for the Samsung One UI 5.0 update, and you might be interested in knowing if your Samsung phone has made it to the list. I will share the entire list with all of you right away. Make sure that you guys hit the subscribe button and like this video if you find it good enough. Okay, Samsung will be rolling out this update for the latest flagship devices. First of all, this means that the S22 Ultra along with its younger siblings will get this update first, followed by the new Galaxy Z Fold 4 and the Flip 4 smartphones. The update will be rolled out in phases in backward order for all the devices. First, for the flagships, the S21 series will get this update after the S22 series, and it will eventually make its way to the Note 20 series and then the S20 series. You might be surprised to know that the devices like the Galaxy S10 Lite and the Note 10 Lite are also eligible for the One UI 5.0. It's really good to know that such old devices will be using the Android 13 in a few days from now. The S20 Fan Edition 5G and the S21 Fan Edition 5G are also eligible for this update, so a good news for all the users of those devices as well. In the meanwhile, the Fold 3, 2 and the original Fold along with the Flip 3, 2 and the original Flip will also get this update. Once Samsung are done with the flagship devices, the mid-range phones will start getting this update too, and the good news is Samsung are going to keep a good number of old mid-range phones alive by rolling this update for those devices. The new Galaxy A33, 53 and 73 will get this update first of all, and then all devices down the way to the Galaxy A51 will get this update too. Some low-end devices like A03, A03s and the Galaxy A13 will also get the One UI 5.0 update. A limited number of Galaxy M series smartphones that are appearing on your screen will get this update too. The Galaxy F series smartphones that are eligible for this update are appearing on the screen now. Samsung's tablet devices, including some of the Tab S6 models, the Tab A8 Lite, the Tab S7 series and Tab S8 series will also get the One UI 5.0 update. The eligibility formula for this update is simple. All Samsung devices released 2019 onwards are eligible for 3 major software updates, and all Samsung devices released 2021 onwards are eligible for 4 major software updates. If your Samsung phone was released during these years and it's not in the list that I just shared, don't worry, your phone will still get this update as long as it's a mid-range, flagship or any other Samsung mainstream phone. This also means that the One UI 5.0 Android 13 will be the last update, the last Android update for devices like the Galaxy A51, S10 Lite, Note 10 Lite, S20 series, the Note 20 series and some other devices. Remember, I am talking about the last Android update, not the last security patch update. The timeline for the update is not out yet, and like I said, the update will be rolled out in phases, so it can take quite a while, especially for the mid-range phones and tablets to get the One UI 5.0 Android 13 updates. So make sure that you keep patience while Samsung prepares this update for your devices. And that, my friends, is all for now. If you have anything to say, use the comment section below. Hit the like and subscribe button if you haven't already done that. With that being said, I will sign off and see you all in the next one.